Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with quick, high-impact checks so you don't waste time. First, confirm your iPhone is on a supported iOS and has free storage. Low space breaks message sync. Next, force quit messages and restart the phone to clear transient cache. This often resolves stuck threads. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then re-enable Wi-Fi or cellular so the device renegotiates network connections and fixes send/receive failures. Now tackle account and network causes. You should turn iMessage off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID in settings and sign back in to refresh tokens. If messages still fail, reset network settings because corrupt configs block MMS and RCS-like features. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Also make sure date and time are set automatically, and install carrier updates so message routing and multimedia work properly. To finish, back up your iPhone and attempt to restore from iCloud or Finder/iTunes. Restoring often clears deeper software corruption. If that fails, perform a DFU restore to reload firmware and iOS. This is the most thorough step, so preserve diagnostics and follow exact instructions. If problems persist, contact Apple support and provide logs or test on another device. Also check Apple's system status to rule out server-side outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.